My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2014 Ford Focus. This vehicle has done just under 52,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the right of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, and using the buttons just below our screen, we can access our CD, radio, aux, Bluetooth, and menu. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking sensor. Just below the screen, we have our AC. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.